Welcome to Kakamega Dental Suit, where your smile is our priority. We are home to qualified friendly professionals dedicated to giving you the best dental experience. From comprehensive dental consultations to crowns, braces to whitening and even dazzling tooth gems, we've got your smile covered. We also do tooth extractions, disimpaction, teeth replacement, fillings, root canal treatment, scaling and polishing, dental x-rays, among others.
With good oral hygiene, you will feel relaxed. With good teeth, you can be able to smile, that is aesthetics, and you can be able to feed without any pain.
We accept all major insurance covers, including Share Comprehensive. Find us on second floor, Mega Mall, Kakamega Town, right opposite Muliro Gardens. Kakamega Dental Suit. Your smile, our priority.